Hello everyone, and welcome to the WonderHub Learning Centre. I'm Brian Ebury, your WonderHub Experience Officer. Today, we are looking at Wonder OS4, WonderHub's deeply customised operating system, built on Android. In the Upgrade app, you can view the latest firmware and install incremental OTA updates. Apps such as Whiteboard update independently, saving data and speeding up upgrades. Every teacher works differently with their own materials. So Wonder OS4 supports 3 account types: local, cloud, and guest. Local accounts support password, card, face recognition, and USB drive sign-in. Cloud accounts support QR code on phone, password, and card. Teachers choose what works best. Administrators can create account groups with specific permissions, for example, allowing USB access or app installation for certain groups. After sign-in, teachers see their personalised home screen with their installed apps and saved files. The Wonder OS Home uses teaching themes with wallpapers and app icons. Choose from 4 preset themes or set your own custom wallpaper, just like on your phone. You'll find WonderCast for screencasting and Whiteboard pre-installed. And with Google EDLA certification via your homepage, you will also get Google Workspace apps, the Google search bar, and access to the Play Store for downloading additional education apps. Bottom and side navigation bars give quick access to key controls like network, brightness, and volume. To make it simple to use, we added one click to use touches. Tap Wi-Fi to open network settings, tap the clock to open time settings, long press an app to choose split view or windowed mode. You can even preset slides while writing in the whiteboard. Need help? Swipe right to the widget screen. Alongside device status, the System Help widget gives step-by-step guides for exploring more features. Teachers often carry tools like rulers and calculators, so we built more than 20 utilities directly into Wonder OS. Beyond daily tools like calculator, there are interactive options such as random face picker and piano. For K-12 use, apps like piano can be resized and moved for easier access at different heights. Here is a highlight for you. Annotation just got smarter in Wonder OS3. Teachers had to manually enable annotation before writing. Now, enable smart writing once and simply pick up the pen to annotate. No extra tap needed. Turn on hand-pen separation to write with the pen while using your hand to select or move objects, cutting down on mode switches. We also added annotation hold so your notes stay on any slide, letting you move around and revisit them as you teach. Wonder OS supports the usual teaching flow, slides, writing, and student interaction with dedicated apps at each stage. During slides, open saved materials with the File Browser app, save content locally on the panel, or read from a USB drive. Your account auto-links to Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive for one-tap cloud access. After slides, switch to the whiteboard for more in-depth writing and collaborate with groups using Wonder Seminar. All of these convenient features come from continuous research into education. Wonder OS is not just about connecting screens, it's about unlocking student potential. With smart tools for efficient classrooms and a human touch for teachers, Wonder OS turns WonderHub into a true teaching assistant. We'll be back with more great features, so stay tuned.